Wow, look at this. That was straight. Hey, what's up YouTube? Nick here with High Standard Off-Road, and today we're going to be installing a truss on Burt. Alright guys, so Brian just got his rear diff skid plate off, and as you can see, we still have a little bit of Moab with us, but this thing's not going to be wasted because we're going to be throwing this on Kevin's Jeep a little bit later. So shiny.
In order to mock up the truss, you've got to remove the locker connector and the axle vent tube. That way we'll just put them out of the way, and they've got two holes that go through so you can run them through after you've welded it on. So we've got the truss on there, mocked up, centered wherever way you want. We'll have it parallel to the pumpkin, so the caster will be the same as it is on the pinion, or perpendicular, sorry. And then take a Sharpie, and you can easily just outline like this where you need to do your grinding. And we'll do that all over. And the purpose of that is so you have a clean surface to weld to.
Alright, so we got some lacquer thinner here. We're going to wipe down this truss inside and out. That way when we go to weld it on the axle, we can have the inside painted and ready to go.
Nothing fancy here, just some paint and primer to keep the rust off.
Man, does that look pretty.
So I put a little piece of tape over the axle vent nipple, but just so when we're prepping the surface with our little 3M disc, it won't let any dust get in there and get into the gears and stuff like that.
One light for Mr. Michael.
Thank you.
Now that the axle's been prepped, all we have to do is weld on the truss.
Safety first.
Alright guys, so we are just about done. Brian just sprayed some more of that black spray paint on here to prevent any rusting. But as you can see, that's all you gotta do. You weld it right here in the front, on the side, and then right behind, both the passenger side and the driver's side. All we have left now is to reconnect the e-locker harness and the axle vent tube, and we are good to go. Alright, now that we got the vent hose reconnected, the e-locker harness reconnected, everything buttoned up, truss in, painted, welded, ready to go, Burt's ready for some 40s. If you guys want to check that out in the next video, be sure to like, subscribe, comment below, give us your feedback. But until next time, this is Nick with High Standard Off-Road. See ya.